618 suite. Just suite?
Yes. It's called Suite Duc when booking because we have the regular King suite and then the Suite Duc.
So balcony as well, right?
Yes. This is actually not only a balcony, it's a terrace. So all the suites have this kind of terrace. It's way bigger than the French balcony. It's a proper terrace.
Mm-hmm.
Very nice because unfortunately I had this one only with this view, but from over there you can see the Cathedral of Barcelona and everything to be over there inside. You will see the amenities food-wise are the same, but we have the shakers over there and the high-end liquors. So it's a bit more special to give it an extra added value to the suite. And also just for being a suite booker, actually they have an amenity also. Same with IHG Luxury Lifestyle, they always get an amenity and upgraded, of course. So.